Guys, so it is the next day and it is not the morning time. It is literally 3:47, so it's like the afternoon. That's because I had to clean up, cancel some appointments due to the snow in the back streets or whatever. But I let my hair dry overnight and this is what it's looking like. And I just put this band on here just to, you know, give it to hold my edges, I guess. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take the braids out. I'm gonna try to style my hair because I'm going out tonight. I'm going to try, I'll show you guys my look, my whole outfit look or whatnot. Oh, it's still kind of wet. It's a little wet still, but yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Ooh, if I can take it out, child. Okay, y'all, I got some stuff in my hair. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it came from that mask, but it's kind of like flaky a little bit. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna finish taking the rest out. And so what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail, going back, kind of keep the curls, and I'm just gonna keep it in a ponytail going back like that. I'm not really a part person, but my head be sensitive sometimes, but we're gonna try to work with the parts today. I'm gonna be going in with this extreme. I'm just gonna go in, put that right there. So we're gonna go in actually with the aloe, the Eco Styler gel, just because that gel that I apply is like so thick, it's making it hard for me to brush my hair. So we're gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel. We're gonna see what this do. It's different for me, sis. So we just gonna, you know, we gonna put it in a decent ponytail just to get it in a ponytail so I guide it in a sense. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna go in and put more gel and stuff in, of course. I don't know if I should do baby hairs or not. I'm so scared of baby hairs, but I mean, I guess I could do some in a sense, but I'm like so scared of baby hairs. So then we're going to take the edge booster, this right here, right? We're gonna take that and just kind of go around with it. I feel like when you put gel on first and then the edge booster, it just works better in my eye. And I'm gonna do the same with the baby hairs. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I'm gonna put gel on my baby hairs too, then the edge booster. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and added my headscarf. Hey you guys, so I'm back. This is my outfit. This is the finished hairstyle that I did after doing my Cardi B hair mask. This is what it's looking like. I just basically took out the twist that I had to dry and stretch my hair, and I put it in a ponytail with the little part. I added some pieces. I left my real hair out, and then I added some weave pieces, curl pieces, just to make it fuller. But yeah, you guys, this is what it's looked like. My thoughts on the mask: I really like it. I really love how heavy the mask was on my hair. I like the thickness of it. It does smell good when you're making it. It smells like green, but when you're putting it in your hair, the smell does kind of become not so good. So yeah, would I try this mask again? Probably down the road I would. Yes, down the road I would probably try it again. But like I said, I do like the thickness, the consistency. It is green, so if you are a green person, it does smell like nature. Very green. And this is the look that I did for my this party I'm going to. I did not film this look, but if you guys want me to record how I achieved this look, it was pretty simple. I think the most time it took was just putting the rhinestones on the eye, which it kind of feel right there. Yeah, so yeah. This is what it's looking like. This is my dress, so you guys can see. I got this dress off of Pretty Tina, I think. I like it though. It's soft, it's comfortable. Your girl need to lose some weight a little bit, but this is what it's looking like. I'm going to be going somewhere. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me, subscribe to my channel, SBE Aesthetics, and if you like more videos as such, please let me know and I'll do more videos. So thank you. Bye.